can see a lot of roots developed. It's kind of very short, but definitely there are roots. A lot of roots right here. Oh, it is just awesome. It's beautiful. The roots, definitely. You can see the roots right here. A lot of roots. It's just beginning to develop. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is December 18th, 2020. Yesterday, I just checked out one rose plant. Today, I'm going to continually check out two other rose plants, which I aired on November 7th, 2020 using three different media: sphagnum moss, peat moss, and cocoa mix. In today's episode, I'm going to find out which one works best. Stick with me. This is one rose plant. I choose the three branches. Each branch has one root ball. This is another rose plant. I did exactly the same as that rose plant. So let's check out one by one. This is a sphagnum moss. Let me cut off this one. Let's check out sphagnum moss root ball. Did you see the roots? The white one right here. Some roots right here and then some roots right here. So kind of I cannot see other roots on other side. But anyway, definitely grow some roots right here. So it is very successful for sphagnum moss. Beautiful. The stem is beautiful, even though some yellow leaves, but generally all the stem looks very healthy. It's beautiful. This is a peat moss stem, pretty thick. I would rather cut off this branch because rose plant has a lot of sun. So this is peat moss root ball. If you see from the outside, I cannot find any roots. But you check right here, you can find some white stuff. I think this one is callus. And here, let me remove a little bit. Did you see here? Some roots right here. But definitely it is roots. It's pretty short right now. Kind of sphagnum moss is better compared with this peat moss ball. So not bad actually. They just began to grow roots, especially during this winter time. Let's see, most of them are callus. Some roots right here. So this is peat moss. This is a cocoa mix. Cut off this branch. So guys, check out. This is cocoa mix. Kind of a tie a little bit up. So you can see this is a bottom tie right here. And this is wound area. I covered this wound area a little bit top. But anyway, so this cocoa mix very loose, like powder. See, check right here. So focus. Kind of I only got callus. I didn't see roots. So this one does not work well. So right now, let's go ahead and move to the second rose plant. So let me cut off speculum moss. Let's check out speculum moss root ball. You see here, you can see a lot of roots developed. It's kind of very short, but definitely there are roots. You can still see some colors. And let me turn around. I cannot see any other roots on the other side. But so basically, during the winter time, I know it develops roots kind of slow. If you cannot see any roots, but if you can see some colors, that's a good sign, because usually the roots will develop from the colors, because colors develop first. So actually, it's pretty good for this rose plant. I got roots. Then I cut off peat moss from the second rose plant. So guys, check out right here. This is a peat moss. You can see a lot of roots right here. Oh, it is just awesome. It's beautiful. Actually, the peat moss automatically peeled off. So a lot of roots. You can see the colors right here. Some roots developed from this area. I think this is leaf load. And some more roots developed from above this colors. I think this is from thorn. I removed the thorn, caused some wound area. So you see a lot of roots. Beautiful, just gorgeous, beautiful. I cut off cocoa mix branch. Okay guys, check out. This is cocoa mix. You can see very loose, just like a powder. So let me loose a little bit and remove out cocoa mix. So guys, check out right here. The roots, definitely. You can see the roots right here. A lot of roots is just beginning to develop from the colors. So it's beautiful, beautiful stem. You see, it's pretty long. I think it's almost can you see it? It's almost kind of 2 feet long. It's beautiful, very healthy stem. Definitely you can see the roots. Good job. Awesome.